The hell is up, YouTube? Here picking up our new bike, the dirty Ram out today. Let's see what we're getting. All right, guys. So this is Vader Grom clone. Got this from Red Fox Motorsports. Just going through the outside of the box. A couple holes here and there, but nothing too big. Fairly good shape. Be shipped. See one there, big hole there, but nothing too big. So it looks like it shipped in one piece. We're gonna put this thing together and see what it's like. Let's go. All right, this is it in the box, and it's actually not bad at all compared to some shipping videos I've seen on certain shipping stuff. It seems like it's tied. They got like little protectors on these tie downs so it doesn't scratch up. Zip tied and stuff. I've seen some videos where this crate is all fucked up, all bent up and stuff. Looks like it's just the handlebars off, like all the videos, and the front wheel. All in all, not bad. The crate's not all beat up. Like I said, the box wasn't all beat up. Let's keep going. All right, guys, I just changed the oil. Made sure everything was nice and tight, Loctited everything. And just went and got some fuel, got some premium, and started up. Fires right up, no issues. Came out really nice. Doing new exhaust, handlebars. Didn't take too long to put together. More so than anything, we're just tightening everything down, Loctiting everything, but she fires right up. First ride on the Vader, the Grom clone, and this little thing's moving, man. Surprised at how good it rides, surprised at the torque and everything on it. And I'm really enjoying it. All right, right off the bat, this speedometer, I don't know if it's wrong or whatnot. I don't know if the mile per hour is wrong, but I do know for sure that the miles ran is wrong. I'm up to 97, and I know 97 miles total, and I know I'm damn near nowhere near 97 miles. I ran this thing maybe like 3 miles, but that's messed up. At this rate, I'll be at 100,000 miles in no time. But other than that, this is nice, man. I must say, I really am impressed. If this feels this good, I can only imagine how the Hondas feel. So, I mean, so far so good. I've changed the oil on this thing. Put premium in here. And thoroughly impressed, guys. Thoroughly impressed. Red Fox Motorsports. Yeah, go. Yeah, it's definitely a go, man. So I have a bunch of parts and stuff I'm ordering for this thing. New exhaust, probably do new foot pegs and stuff. Turn signals, handlebars, we'll go pro tapers and stuff. But man, I'm excited. I'm really excited. And for $1,200, $1,200, you can't beat it. $1,200. And the suspension's actually pretty good. I'm a big guy, 245 pounds, and this thing, suspension's actually pretty good. The front end suspension is real squishy, but that rear monoshock is actually not bad at all. I wonder if I can upgrade the front end suspension. So far, that's my only gripe. Happy, excited, good purchase. Thumbs up. Alright, got her all in the truck, loaded up, tied down. Ready to take her home. I was over my mom's, built her over my mom, so I spent some time with her. Put this together, rode around a little bit, taking her home. Like, comment, subscribe. Updates coming on this one, and I also have a FXRT fairing review on the Lowrider S coming up. Appreciate you guys tuning in again. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one.